Isa lang din ako sa mga tao na natakot na gawin ang ganitong klase ng negosyo. Takot na maniwala, takot na magtiwala, at takot na walang maniwala.
I don't wanna live that way. I gotta have a bit more faith. I can face the lions, the giants. I walk through the valley. Fear won't shake me, won't break me. It doesn't matter what.
Natakot man sa simula, but with the guidance of our Lord God, lumaban at bumangon upang makamit ang pangarap na ninanais.
In you, I can do all things. I can do all things. In you, even when the darkness comes.
Ituloy mo lang ang iyong nasimulan. Madami mang takot, madami mang rejections, huwag kang susuko, huwag kang magpapatalo.
The giants, I walked all through the valley. Fear won't shake me. Doesn't matter what I'm up against. I can do all things. I can do all things in you, in you. I can do all things.
When the time is right, the Lord, will make it happen. Sa tamang oras, pangarap na iyong ninanais ay ipagkakaloob ng Diyos dahil walang imposible sa Kanya. I am Katrina Galit, an agent of hope, and I am worldwide.